Hello boys of class 7. Welcome you again on another online class of agriculture. Today we'll start lesson 13. I hope you have realized lesson 12 very clearly. Today's our topic is goat rearing process. So let's start our session. First of all, let us know why goat rearing is popular in Bangladesh. That is why people of Bangladesh is rearing goat. Goat is an important domestic animal for poor people in Bangladesh. A she-goat gets ability of conceive within 7 to 8 months, which is very short period, as it can give birth of and also gives milk. So goat is very popular among the village people. It is also popular because it has less management cost in rearing. So in rural area, those who not have ability of rearing cow, they rear goats in their houses. A goat weighs 15 to 20 kg in 12 to 15 months and can give birth of 2 to 3 kids at a time. So this is another reason why goat rearing is popular in Bangladesh. In rural area, goat is also known as poor's cow. So you can easily understand, as the demand of goat meat is very high and cost is good in market, that is why people want to rear goat in their houses. Now let us know more about goat rearing. What are the methods of goat rearing? In Bangladesh, two methods of goat rearing is conventional mainly. The processes are discussed below. Number one, that is traditional method, that is which is going on from earlier age, and that is not for commercial basis. In this method, goats are letting free to rear or tying up by a rope in the field, in the garden, and in the roadside spaces. Generally, no additional food is given to goats, but during rainy season, farmers cut leaves for them as they can't rear outside or for the cause of water everywhere. There is no separate house for goat to live in. Farmers keep their goats by making space in their own house and keep goats inside their house. That means there is no cost actually for goat's house in this process. That is another reason that people of rural area usually rear goat one or two in their houses. This method is followed by the rural people as they can't afford much cost for goat rearing. But this process is not good for commercial basis. As I have earlier said, this is not suitable for commercial purpose. If anyone wants to rear goat one or two in number, then this process can be followed. But in commercial basis, traditional method is not good for meat production and also the health management of goat. Now let us know the another process that is followed in Bangladesh, that is scientific method. This rearing method is followed by farmers who rear goats in commercial basis. Only commercial basis farmers are using this method. In this method, housing, health management and food of goats get the priority. As in the earlier method, that means traditional method, goats were not supplied extra food, but here food management is very essential. That is why they supplied extra food here, because they rear the goat for commercial purpose, as they supplied extra food which will give better production of meat, and that is necessary for this process. There are two different processes of rearing in this method. This method also has two different processes. On basis of grazing space, these two processes are followed. That means if there is grazing space, then there is one process. And if there is no grazing space, that means where the goat is tie up with a rope and keep there for eating grass or other things, that only depends on that things, that process is followed. The processes are the two process. one confined process and number two half confined process. Now let us know about confined process. In this process, gods are rearing in fully confined process. They are not letting out for grazing or else. A high and dry land is selected to build house for the gods in this process. By using wood, bamboo, tin, thatch, golpata, etc. in making of the house can be cost effective. An adult god needs 1 square meter or 10 square feet area for itself. It should be kept in mind while making the house. If the floor is dumb, then a platform should make for them. So this was the housing management for in confined process. Now let us discuss about food. Food like granular food, green grass and water leaves are supplied to the goats in this process because they're not letting out for any other food. So this food should be supplied to the house to the gods. But it should be remembered that God enjoying grazing outside for several hours and it makes their health good. Fully confined process shouldn't be followed at the beginning if the gods are fresh. It means if the gods are new for this process, then we don't have to follow fully confined process. And in that case, initially they should let in grazing outside for several hours and grazing hours should be reduced gradually when the gods are familiar with the environment of the house. So if we do that things, that should be very beneficial for the production of meat and milk. So this is all about confined process. Now let us know another process that was known as half confined process. This process is a combination of free or traditional process and confined process. Goats are grazing for the whole day outside of the house for eating green grass and they are supplied with granular food if they are in confined state. That means if they are inside the house, they are supplied green food, granular food. But if they are letting outside for grazing, then they are eating green grass. During rainy season, as the goats can't grazing outside, so along with granular food, green grass is also provided in that house. So in this half confined process, obviously a good house is made, health management should be take care, and food like green grass is keeping outside of the house where they can graze, and granular food is supplied, and sometimes some leaves which loves by the goat should supplied. So this were all about half confined process. Now let us look a picture about confined and half confined. Now this is confined process. You can easily see goats are rearing inside house, they're not letting outside, and their floor is spread by thatch, and a man is supplied food to them. So this is confined process. Now let us see a picture of half confined process. Look at here. In far we can see a house where the gods are staying during night and they're grazing over a open space where green grass is available and they're eating green grass. So this is all about green half confined and confined process. You can easily understand how this process is followed. So boys, today up to this one, in next class we'll discuss about more things about goat rearing, like fooding of goat rearing. So up to then you just follow these lectures and go through the books, and if you have anything which you didn't understand, just let me know in comment section. So boys, today up to this, bye for today.